birds. They walk, crawl, scream, and fly all over the world. There are more of them than any other kind of animals on Earth, and they have been around for over 350 million years. What are they? Hint, turn the page to find out. You probably call them bugs, or scientists call them insects. What makes an insect an insect? For one thing, it has a special body. All insects have a hard shells on the outside called exoskeletons. The cells protect the little insect just like metal armor protects a knife. An insect body also has three parts. It has a head, a middle section called a thorax, and the abdomen. These three parts are easy to see on one insect that everyone knows. The ant. People have 2 legs. Dogs and cats have 4 legs. And insects have 6. Go ahead, count them. But not all insect legs are same. Some legs are good for jumping far. Others are perfect for climbing, grabbing, running, or swimming. Dragonfly. Most insects have 2 or 4 wings, and just like legs, there are different kinds of wings. The dragonfly big wings are perfect for flying fast and making quick turns in the mid-air, but the beetle's wings are different. One pair is thick and leathery to protect the second pair of delicate flight wings. Spiders have 8 legs. They are not insects. As you can see, birds are a lot different from you and me. And speaking of seeing, did you know that insects have 2 different types of eyes? An insect's simple eyes, called ocellules, can only sense light. Their larger, compound eyes can see objects and animals, and there's no remnants. A house's fly compound eyes have thousands of little parts called lenses. Each lens sees a piece of bigger picture. What would an apple look like to a fly? What is sticking out of that bird's head? The feelers of attentiveness, and all insects have 2 of them. They help insects tough, taste, and smell the world around them. Where do insects live? Everywhere. They fly through the air and work on the ground. They dig in the dirt and hide under rocks. They climb through the trees and swim in the water. Some insects even live in your home. Some insects, like the fleas, make themselves at home on other animals. People live together in groups called families. Some insects live together in groups too. Ants, bees, and termites live in groups called colonies. Each member of an insect group has a special job. Some find and gather food, some build and dig, others take care of the young. What do insects eat? Some eat leaves and stems from plants and trees. Munch. Others suck nectar and juice from flowers and fruits. Slurp. And some insects like to eat other insects. Crunch. Some insects drink blood from other animals, like you and me. Ouch! Other insects, like the cockroach and the fly, eat garbage, animals waste, and other these things. Yuck! But they recycle garbage to keep the earth clean. The little silverfish like to eat paper. Keep him away from this book. How do insects talk to each other? Ants communicate through smells. They use odors to warn their next mates of danger and to lead them to food. Other insects send messages with movement. When a bee finds food, it will do a little dance in the nest to tell the other bees it's time to eat. Many insects communicate with sound. Male feed crickets chirps. By rubbing their wings together, you attract a female cricket. Fireflies find each other with flashes of light.